Every body shop has one advisor everyone assumes is next in line for service manager. Most of them never make it. Not because they're not good, but because no one ever taught them the other half of the job. This is the other half. As an advisor, your world is one repair order at a time. The second you become the manager, your world is the whole board. Every stage, every tech, every insurance partner, all at once. That's not a promotion. That's a completely different job. You're about to get judged on numbers you've probably never looked at closely. Gross profit percentage, cycle time, DRP compliance. If you wait for the monthly meeting to check them, you're already a month behind. Pull them daily. Cycle time is the single number that drives almost everything else. Your DRP standing, your rental cost, your CSI, and it starts with blueprinting. Tear down and document the damage within 48 hours or you're chasing supplements for the rest of the repair. Supplement creep is the silent killer of cycle time. Every additional damage finding needs to be photographed and submitted the same day it's found, not batched until the end of the week. That one habit alone can turn around a struggling shop. Here's something most new managers never do. Ask your DRP rep for your actual scorecard. Most shops are being ranked against their insurer's whole network, and nobody on the team has ever seen the report card. Ask for it and use it to negotiate. Your techs and painters are almost always on flat rate or piece rate, meaning a delay on your board is real money out of their pocket. Once you understand that, you understand why they push back on schedule changes. Lead with that, not with authority. Your body shop doesn't run alone. Parts, service, sales, they all need something from you and you need something from them. And through it all, remember, your customer's having the worst week with their car. Over-communicate. It's the cheapest CSI win there is. Your first 90 days aren't about changing everything at once. Audit for 30 days. Install the rhythm for 30 more. Then walk into the GM's office with real before and after numbers. That's how you earn the trust that makes the rest of the job possible. The advisors who make this jump cleanly are the ones who start thinking like managers before the title ever changes. Grab the full field guide at the link below. It's got the scorecards, the playbooks, and the KPI cheat sheet to back it all up. See you at the next one.